And in the heart of this enchanted forest lived Sparkle the dragon. Sparkle was no ordinary dragon. He had scales that glittered like diamonds and a heart full of kindness. One day, Sparkle discovered a mysterious map that hinted at a hidden treasure deep within the forest. Intrigued, Sparkle decided to embark on an adventurous journey to find the treasure. As Sparkle journeyed through the magical forest, he encountered talking animals, playful fairies, and mischievous elves. Each one had a clue that brought Sparkle closer to the secret treasure. But the path was not easy. Sparkle faced challenges like tricky riddles and magical obstacles. Along the way, he made friends who helped him overcome each hurdle. After overcoming all challenges, Sparkle finally reached the hidden clearing where the treasure awaited. And what he found was not just gold and jewels, but the true magic of friendship and kindness. But little did Sparkle know, there was a villain lurking in the shadows, an evil sorceress who wanted the treasure for herself. She cast a spell to make the forest creatures forget their friendship and turn against Sparkle.